welcome back to my channel. So if you're like us and you're a big family, your recycling bin will get very full in 1 week, and they usually pick them up every fortnight, so you'll have a lot of recycling that you can't fit. So I'll show you a way to put in more recycling. So with milk bottles, you have to make sure they're open, squeeze them and shove them in. As you can see, it's still very high, so what we're gonna do is this. So make sure you're wearing your Crocs so you don't get hurt from anything spiky in there. Climb up and do a step in it. Jump, jump, squash as much as you can, and there you go. It's now half full and it's ready to fit more recycling for another week. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.